How to deactivate a Snapchat account temporarily. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to deactivate your Snapchat account temporarily. Open the Snapchat application on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Now, you will see your profile page. Look for the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down until you find the delete account option. After tapping on delete account, you'll be asked to enter your username. Simply type in your Snapchat username in the provided field. Once you've entered your username, tap on the next button to continue. The next step is to enter your password. After entering your password, tap on the next button to confirm the deactivation of your account. Before your account is deactivated, Snapchat will provide you with some details and information about the deactivation process. Take a moment to read through the information. Finally, you'll be prompted to enter your username and password one last time to confirm the temporary deactivation of your account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.